Is inflammation the root of all diseases? Exploring anti-inflammatory diets. Ever wondered if inflammation is behind many health issues? Chronic inflammation has been linked to diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. An anti-inflammatory diet, filled with fruits, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats, can help reduce this risk and keep your body thriving. By eating foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts, you're fueling your body with nutrients that fight inflammation and boost overall health. Curious to start? Small swaps like adding more omega-3s, salmon and flax seeds, and cutting down on processed foods make a big difference. Try it out and see how your body feels. Anti-inflammatory eating is a delicious way to support a healthier, happier you.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips